Hello everyone, this is Dushyant and welcome to Backstage with Coders. So today we are starting with Python programming, and in this session we'll cover basic data types, variables and typecasting, which will act as a first stepping stone towards our long journey in Python and data sciences. So I'm very excited for this. Hopefully at the end of this journey we'll be feeling confident about our Python skills, and as well as we'll be confident about answering any Python questions in the interview. So here in any programming language we'll have data values, and to save that data we'll need some container, and that container in Python is a variable. So as you can see that we don't have any separate command to declare a variable in Python, you just have to assign the value to the variable. So here I am running these three cells, and as you can see that I am assigning 23 to the variable named as A, Dushan to the variable named as B, and a decimal 12.9 to the variable named as C. So if I print it, you can see that we have successfully assigned 23 to the variable A. You can do the same thing for B and C as well. And you can see that there is no separate command to declare integer, string or float data types. So we can just directly write or assign any data type to a variable in Python. Variables in Python has some constraint while naming them, and one of them is a variable can only have alphanumeric character or underscores. So as you can see here as well, all the variable name ABC is alphanumeric only. Alphanumeric is the combination of alphabets and numbers. Here we can take one example. We can write a variable name as ABC underscore is equal to 23. This will work. You can print it also. See here 23 is assigned to ABC underscore, so this is a valid combination of a variable name. But if we add any other special character to this variable name, this will not work because Python interpreter will not take this special character as a variable name. Another constraint is that the start of the variable should only be underscore or a alphabet. All our variables is having alphabet as a start of the variable name. We can have underscore as well. This will also work, but if we try to do the same thing with numbers as the first character in the variable name, this will not work. So as you can see that there are two major constraints. One is the variable should always contain alphanumeric character and underscore, and another one is the variable must be starting with a alphabet or underscore. There is one more constraint in variable naming, and that is the variable is case sensitive. So you can assign 23 to variable named as A, and you can also print that 23 is assigned to A, but this A is not same as the capital A because variable name is case sensitive. So if we assign 10 to capital A, so this will not overwrite this one. You can still print A and it's still 23. So these are some common constraint in variable naming. I hope you got it. Let's start with data types now. We have three built-in data types in Python, which are integer, float and string. Actually we have more, but we'll cover them in later videos. So we have integer. We can assign integer using a is equal to 23. We have float. We can assign it as a is equal to 23.7 decimal value, and we have string as well. So we can assign it using single quote like this or a double quote. Both will work. So this is the assigning of data type to a variable. One more thing we can do here is, if we assign any data type to a variable, we can check the data type of that variable using the type command. We can write type of A, and we can see that A is an integer now because we assigned 23 here. If we assign 23.9 here, then if we run this cell again, we can check that type and it is float now. If we assign some string here and check the data type, it is string now. So this is how we can check the data type of a variable in Python. One more thing we can do here is, if we want to change the data type of a variable, so let's assign 23 in A and the type of the variable is string now. If you want to change the data type of the variable, we can typecast the variable into another data type. So here, to typecast it to float, we can just write float of A, and here we can see that the integer data type is changed to float now. If you want to change it to string, then just write str of A and it is string now. So in the same way, we can again change it to integer and it will be integer. So this is how you change the data type or check the data type of a variable. That's it in today's video, and hope you liked it. If you have any queries related to this video, you can post it into the comment section. Thank you.